Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to drop ship from AliExpress to Amazon. So as you can see right here, we have the Amazon website, and in the other tab, we have the AliExpress, and on the third tab, we have here the Amazon Seller Central. Okay, and later on I am going to show you an illustration for you guys to understand on how we can manually drop ship products from AliExpress to our Amazon account. So right here on AliExpress, we just have to sign in or sign up for an account. So right here, just have to type out our email and then click on continue after that, or you can log in with our Google account, Facebook, Twitter account, or Apple. So you just have to close this one. So here you can also change the location. So currently I am in the Philippines, so I'm just going to select Philippines, and then after that, if you already have an account, just click on the sign in option, and then the same process, I'm just going to sign in using my Google account, and then after signing in with your Google account, you'd be directed to this page, and as you can see, we have successfully logged into our account. So let me do it again. Okay, so yeah, we have successfully logged into AliExpress. And then the next thing that we should do now is to make sure that we have our Amazon seller account. So to sign up for an account in Amazon, just have to open a new tab, and then all you have to do is to search for Amazon seller. Okay, so this is the Amazon Seller Central. So using the search bar, you just have to type out right here Amazon seller, and then you'll be able to see this first website. So you just have to click on this one, and then you'll be redirected to the section. So of course, you just have to sign up for an Amazon seller account. So I already have an Amazon account before, but I deactivated it. So yeah, I'm still going to show you on how you can dropship manually from AliExpress to Amazon. So you just have to sign up for an account right here. Just click on the add account option, and then here at the very bottom, you'll be able to see to create your account or Amazon account. So here you just have to type out your name, your email, then you have to create your password, and then you have to enter your password, and then after that, just click on the next options. You just have to follow the process so you can create your Amazon seller account. So assuming that we are done creating our Amazon seller account, let's go back here now in AliExpress and try to find products that we can drop ship to Amazon. So here we have the category section. So we have the home and garden, have extension and wigs, we have accessories, consumers electronics, home improvement and lighting, home appliances. We also have here the automotive and motorcycle, luggages and bags, and more. So we are going to start with the home and garden. So here we also have a specific section for kitchen, bathroom. We also have a bedroom, living room. So we're going to start with the kitchen and use the mug thermos. Okay, so see for example, we wanted to drop ship this product to our Amazon account. So all you have to do here is you have to make sure that this product is selling well. Okay, so you have here the name of the product, the rating of the product, and then you'd be able to see this icon right here or this tag that this product is selling well, and then you have here the price, so you can click on see preview to see the full details of this product. And as you can see, we have here the different images of this product. So now what you're gonna do here is to copy or save the details of this product, since you are planning to purchase, to dropship this one to your Amazon account. And then the next thing that we can do here now is to save one by one details of this product. So we can start by downloading the relevant images of this product. So we can click on the save as option after that, and then just have to download the images of this product. And then here just have to copy the name of the product, then you have here the price. So of course, since we are trying to drop ship this product, we are going to change the price or to raise the price just a little bit so we can get our commission. So now this is illustration. So we have here the AliExpress, you, and then your Amazon store, and then your customers. So what we're going to do here now is to display all of the products from AliExpress to our Amazon store. And then when our customers see the products that we are displaying in our Amazon store, and then they purchase this one, we will be the one who is going to purchase the product from AliExpress and then deliver the products to their doors. Okay, so that is the logic of this manual drop shipping. So here, this is your customer, this is your Amazon store, and then this is you at the top center. So for example, right here, we are the customer, so we are going to purchase this product from from the Amazon store. Okay, so here, just click on the buy now option. So we are the customer right here. Okay, so of course, whenever you purchase a product online, we have to provide our address details. Okay, so we have here the region. Okay, so we are going to select our region, our contact information. Okay, so the Philippines, and then our contact information, we are going to provide that, and then our contact number, and then our address. Okay, and then our if this one is applicable for apartment, a suite, unit, or to your street, so you can add that right here. And then we have here the state or the province, and then the city, and then the zip code, and then here just click on confirm after that. So after receiving the details of our customer, what we can do as a drop shipper, we are going to get all of these details, and we will be the one who's going to purchase that specific product that we are displaying on our Amazon store, and then deliver that product to our customers. So this part is somehow crucial because we have to inform our customer that this product that they are purchasing or that they can see in our Amazon store is actually from AliExpress. Okay, so you have to take note of that. But you have to tell your client the truth so that when that product will be delivered at your doors, so they're not going to wonder why the packaging is from AliExpress. Okay, so before that, let us try to find another product. Okay, so see for example here, let's utilize all of the advanced features on AliExpress. So for example, for the super deals, so we'd be able to see here different products that is selling well and then currently on a deals. So we have here the price of this product and then the percentage off. Okay, so let us try to find essential products that we can drop ship to our Amazon store. So for example, this one. Okay, so we have here all of the important images of this product. We have the price, the name of the product, the description of the product. So here just click on the download button and then select all of the relevant images that you wanted to display on your Amazon store. So since I don't have an Amazon seller account, I deactivated it. I'm just going to show you using the illustration. Okay, so let me just save this one, and then after saving all of the relevant images, we have to extract the zip files. Okay, so here let's go to that folder and then click on it and click on the extract all option, and then click on extract. So once the images has been extracted, let us now go back to our illustrations. Okay, so we are going to use those images. So let me just upload those images right here. So assuming that we are on our Amazon seller store, so what we're going to do is to use those images to display the product. Okay, so make sure you have downloaded all of the relevant images and then just have to upload it to your Amazon store. So let me just arrange this right here. So the reason why you have to provide a disclaimer to your clients about sourcing products is crucial for maintaining your transparency and building trust. So when operating an Amazon store that relies on dropshipping foreign platforms like AliExpress, it is important to inform your customers that the products displayed are not stocked directly by you but are instead sourced and ordered from AliExpress upon their purchase. So this disclosure helps set realistic expectations regarding delivery times and product quality, as this may differ from the customers typically anticipate from Amazon. So, being upfront about your process demonstrates honesty, fosters better customers relationship, and minimizes the potential misunderstanding or dissatisfactions. So ultimately distributing to the credibility and sustainability of your business. So let's assume again that we are the customers and we are scrolling through the Amazon. Okay, so let us try to find similar products. Okay, but before that, you have to make sure that you have copied the correct name of the product that you are going to dropship from AliExpress to Amazon. See, for example, we are here on Amazon and we are the customer, and then we find this product from our store. So when we clicked on this one, we'll be able to see here the details of the products. So we have here the price of the product, the different variations, and then we all can also see the reviews of the product. So if we think this product is good, so you just have to click on the buy now option. And then here, of course, we have to select our delivery address or create a new delivery address. So since we are the customer, right here we are going to enter a new shipping address. So here we have to select our country or our region. Okay, so for example, a customer is from Singapore, and then they have to put here their full name, so including the first and last name. And then after that one, we have the phone number section. Next one is a postal code, and then the address line 1 for company name, and then the address line 2, this one is optional. And then here we can deliver, we just have to choose the available days, and then after that just click on the use address. So since the customer provided you their shipping address, you will then just have to purchase that specific product to AliExpress and then deliver it to their doors. And of course, to make sure, okay, you have to make sure that all of the products that you are displaying on your Amazon store are available. You have to contact the seller. So let us try to contact the seller. So you can go back to AliExpress and then locate a specific product. Okay, so let me just go back right here and then try to select a product. Okay, so let's go back here and try the super deals once again. So here we can go to here extensions and wigs. You can go to men's clothing. I also have here the plus and the new. So okay, so let me just close this one. Okay, so let's go to the super deals once again and go to the category section and then go to the men's clothing. And then for example, this one for the cargo pants. So here you'd be able to see the different cargo pants that are available. So yeah, to contact a seller, and then assuming that you're planning to display this one to your Amazon store, we have to download all of the important details of this product, like what we did earlier. So of course we have to make sure that the products or the items are available. So we have to contact the seller. So just click on the message option, and then here you can now start messaging the seller. So make sure to be polite, and then you have to explain to the seller why do you want to have this product. So for example, you're asking for a reservation, and then you are going to ask them that you are going to display their product, you're going to use the details of their product, and then you are going to display it to your Amazon store. So maintaining a communication with your supplier is a vital for the smooth operations of your business. So it ensures clarity, fosters trust, and builds a professional relationship that benefits both parties. So regular contact allows you to stay informed about product availability, quality, and shipping details, helping you to meet your customer expectations. Additionally, effective communication can resolve issues quickly to prevent misunderstandings and open opportunities for better pricing or exclusive deals. So a strong supplier relationship ultimately contribute to businesses' efficiency, reliability, and long-term success. A significant advantage of dropshipping manually is greater control over product selection, pricing, and overall business strategy. So, when you manually manage the dropshipping process, you have the freedom to handpick the products you want to offer based on detailed market research, customers' preferences, and trends. So, this gives you the flexibility to focus on niche markets or high demand items that align with your brand identity rather than relying on the limited selection provided by the third-party suppliers. In addition to product selection, you also have full control over your pricing strategy. Unlike dropshipping through platforms with fixed pricing models or restrictions, you can set your prices based on your desired profit margins, competitive analysis, and customer segments. So this allows you to adjust your pricing in real time, whether you want to offer discounts, create bundle deals, or charge a premium for unique or high quality products. Such flexibility enables you to optimize your revenue potential and respond quickly to market shifts. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.